Hi there, welcome to this video. I am Asmamaw-Assefa from wabi-media, and this video I am going to show you very interesting that is very important for you. That is to check whether your LinkedIn profile is very professional or not, because LinkedIn is by itself job seeking platform, so anybody can be a candidate, can apply within different jobs or different positions without any contribution to go to the company. Okay, simply make your LinkedIn profile professional and be a candidate within a position. So now I am going to show you that LinkedIn is how much very important. This is my LinkedIn account or profile. So when an organization posts a position, LinkedIn by itself recommends anybody who can be a good fit for that position, and then the hiring manager will automatically select any candidates by using their LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. The first thing is the perfection of your profile picture. When the hiring manager click on your profile, the immediate action will be looking at your profile picture. So your profile picture should be very attractive and very good. It has its own role. You can analyze your photo like this. For example, my photo is scored 72 out of 100. That is it's not awful. Here there is something. It's not helpful, but this is people's first impression of your professional profile. It's not great either. Plenty of action tips below. Yeah, you can see here different parts of the score. For example, face, it's 67 out of 100. The smile is okay, jawline is good, squint is okay, and composition is 82 out of 100. Editing, 67 out of 100. Brightness is perfect, but the contrast is very bad, and the color temp is very perfect. So try to make all these options to make it perfect, and make everything good on your profile. So the first thing that the hiring manager will see is your profile picture. So make it professional and very attractive. Other one is if the hiring manager is interested on your photo or in your profile picture and on your headlines here, also down on your about or summary, on your experience or your education and skills, then he will directly go to build your resume automatically. Okay, here is the basic point that I want to show you. Okay, here there is more option, and when he click on it, there is an option here, save to PDF. He can simply download your profile or your resume automatically, and he will evaluate simply on a computer. So for this, you can download or you can see your resume, and you will say something about your resume, whether it is good or bad. When you see this download PDF or this downloaded file, you will see something on your resume. Okay, let me show you my resume here. Simply to PDF, click on it, and consider me like as hiring manager, and this will be my guide. Start download, and let me open it. Here it is. It's opened. Here there is my name, and here it's the heading line or the header line of my maybe my position, my education, or other thing that I write here. And summary, here there is there are 5 options. That is I already put in my LinkedIn experience, education, and over here there are top skills listed. Over here only 3. Okay, so you can evaluate by yourself whether it is good or bad. If you are a hiring manager, what do you think about my resume now? Simply download your resume and evaluate yourself. If you like this, it will be good. If you don't like, the hiring manager also don't like your resume. Okay, so try to make your profile very professional here. And to see this one, I recommend you that using desktop or computer is very essential rather than phone. Okay, so please use your computer and try to evaluate yourself. Thank you very much. Bye bye.